Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Dodge Ram 1500. This shape runs from the 5th month 2021 and is the current shape. It has a 5.7 litre Hemi V8 petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. .7 litre Hemi V8 petrol. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, front bumper cover, right hand fog light, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand side step, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, centre console, auto gear shift, heated controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's only done 157 kilometres, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.